It was a packed classroom as Washington County law enforcement and other organizations in Middle Georgia learned about a growing problem in the state and across the nation.
The isolation of not being able to get their psychiatric care and mental health care specifically has caused issues. And so it's there again, we're the ones that get called out when these things kind of happen.
Sergeant Larry Reeves says mental health calls are something he's seeing more of every day.
Well, basically, when you're dealing with mental health, you got to just go at it at a different standpoint and a different level of conversation. Just ask them one thing at a time and watch their emotions and kind of cope with their feelings as you talk.
According to the American Psychology Association, it's estimated that at least 20% of police calls involve a mental health or substance use crisis. And for many departments, that demand is growing.
The opioid pandemic was already kind of raging and still is. But now also on top of that is the COVID, which has made both of those cause some issues.
This training comes right on the heels of a trial for 3 Washington County deputies that were involved in the 2017 tasing death of 58-year-old Yuri Martin. Martin was reported as a suspicious person after he knocked on a woman's door, asking if he could have a drink of water. Once deputies arrived on scene, they asked Martin to stop walking and give them his name. Martin refused, and he was tased until he died. Sheriff Joel Cochran says he wants each deputy in his office and each Sandersville police officer to take this mental health training course to prevent what happened to Martin from happening to someone else.
When I was running for sheriff, that was one of the major topics from the community is the concerns of the mental health issues with people and the response from law enforcement.
The training comes in 8-hour sessions every day and will last until Friday of this week. After leaving training in the classroom, deputies will then respond to a mock call to use the mental health lessons in action. In Sandersville, Peyton Lewis, 41 NBC News.